How to make Keto Tangy Tilapia. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients. For tilapia: 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon butter, softened, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon fresh garlic, minced, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 16-ounce tilapia. For asparagus: 16-ounce asparagus spears, trimmed, 3 tablespoon butter, 2 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 425 F. 2. In a bowl, combine the Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, softened butter, lime juice, minced garlic, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine and form the spread. 3. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Place the tilapia on the aluminum foil and season with salt and pepper. Smear the tilapia with the spread. Bake in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. 4. While the tilapia is baking, cook the asparagus. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the butter and minced garlic. Fry until fragrant. Add in the trimmed asparagus spears. Season with salt and pepper and cook until tender. 5. Serve the tilapia with the asparagus spears. And enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Tangy Tilapia. Each serving comes out to be 372 calories, 24.3 grams fat, 3.5 grams net carbs, and 34.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.